Getting a login failed error or an internal server error on Claude is a massive headache when you are in the middle of a project, but it does not mean your account is gone forever. I'm going to show you exactly how to get back into your account in the next 3 minutes. And if you stick around until the end, I will share a specific browser trick that stops these technical glitches from even starting in the first place. These errors usually happen because Claude's security is extremely sensitive to your connection and browser data. Think of it like a high-security building. If your ID badge has a tiny smudge or you try to enter through the wrong door, the system just locks you out to be safe. The first thing you need to do is verify your entry method, because Claude treats Google logins and email logins as two completely different keys. If you originally signed up using the Continue with Google button, you cannot try to log in by typing your email and a password into the manual boxes later. The system will reject you every time. Go back and click the specific button you used on day 1. If you are using the manual email method, look closely at your typing. A single capital letter where there should be a lowercase one or a tiny typo in the domain name will trigger that failed request message. Next, you need to clear the digital clutter. Your browser stores old login data called cache and cookies, and when that data gets outdated, it clashes with Claude's current server status. Go into your browser settings and wipe your cache for the last 24 hours. If that feels like too much work, just open a private or incognito window and try logging in there. This gives you a fresh start without any old data getting in the way. While you are at it, turn off your VPN or any aggressive ad blockers. Claude's authentication system often flags VPN/IP addresses as suspicious activity, which leads to that internal server error screen. If you are still locked out, it is time to reset the connection. Click the Forgot Password link and immediately check your spam or junk folder for the reset code. Sometimes the system just needs a fresh password to sync everything back up. You should also check a site like Down Detector or search Twitter to see if Claude is actually down for everyone. If the servers are undergoing maintenance, no amount of troubleshooting on your end will fix it. Lastly, if you use Claude on your phone and your computer, log out of every single device. Having too many active sessions can confuse the server and trigger a temporary block. Now here is the pro tip to save you from future login loops. Instead of constantly clearing your entire browser history when Claude acts up, keep a second, clean browser like Edge or Firefox installed strictly for AI tools. Don't add any extensions or plugins to it. This keeps your login environment stable and ensures that even if your main browser gets cluttered, you have a guaranteed way to access your work instantly. Once you've followed these steps, you'll be back to prompting in no time. If you're still seeing a ban message after trying all of this, your next step is to contact their support team directly.